moving forward with our last and the most energetic session of the day. I would request if any of your colleagues or friends are outside this hall, please call them inside. This is going to be a very interactive and powerful learning session. As we do the setup, let's talk a little about AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's the present. And for founders, professionals, and creators alike, leveraging AI effectively can become a true growth multiplier. Please welcome Mr. Nipun Syal for an exciting and highly relevant workshop on how to clone the founder with AI tools. May we have Nipun on the stage, please? I think the setup gives you an idea about how interesting it is going to be.
Across industries, across every level of business, one leader has been guiding people through the noise, from the skyscrapers of Singapore, to the creative hubs of Vietnam, to the vibrant energy of Bangkok, to the rising innovation of India, to the innovation centers of the United States, to the bold momentum of Mexico. His message is the same. AI is not the future. It is the advantage. Right now, recognized by world-class marketers, invited to global stages, followed by a community of 50,000 plus learners. He didn't come from privilege. He built his path through learning, resilience, and implementation. He teaches with heart, leads with clarity, and breaks down complexity so anyone can understand it. And today, you're about to feel the energy, the power, and the transformation that thousands have already experienced. Get ready for a shift. Get ready for possibility. Get ready for impact. This isn't going to be a regular event where you just sit and listen. This is going to be an experience of its own kind. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and please welcome co-author of the book Grow with Bots with a foreword by legendary marketer Dan Kennedy. The man who has represented India on global stages time and again. The TEDx speaker, AI marketing automation specialist, Mr. Nipun Syal.
Check, 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 check. हाँ जी, गुड आफ्टरनून जी. ऐदा नहीं गल माननी. सत श्री अकाल जी. ठीक है, थोड़ा थोड़ा पंप कर दे. Let's start. First of all, how many of you want to clone yourself so that your company can work without you? Say yes if you want to clone yourself. बाकी कम करना चाहते हैं सारी जिंदगी. Say yes if you want to do that. Presentation, can you move that? Okay. किन्ने लोग चाहते हैं भी AI replace ही कर दे सानू? In a good manner. In a good manner, right? Okay. So we'll start. Clone the founder. Build your AI version. Let me little bit check my sound so that everything is okay or not. Aux, can you check that? Check the aux cable, okay. So we'll start with building an AI version of yours. My goal of this workshop is to help to create your AI clone. How many of you want this in 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour to have your AI clone while going outside? in this workshop only. ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी मोटिवेशन करी, मैंने ये करा और आपने कुछ नहीं करा, right? So you can scan this up, or you'll get that AI nipponsyal.in/clone. I'm giving you all the resources for free. The only condition is you need to stay active till end. I'm just giving you 30 seconds to do that. You need to stay active till then. Till then, can you check the aux? Okay. You have 30 seconds to do that. Creating your clone. Right. Can you check the sound again?
Easy.
Yes. Now it's good to go. Okay. I will giving you my proven formula which helped me to travel the world, and all my business is on autopilot without my involvement. Do you want your team to be depend on you for every decision? Say yes or no if you want that. For every decision, your team is dependent on you. Okay. It's not like this. You are going to Goa and you're working like this. Everybody is enjoying like
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और दिन भी सानी 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 सानी
and you are like उसका इनवॉइस हो गया था, इसका काम ये हो गया, अब इस क्लाइंट का मैसेज आ गया. So you are not spending your family time. Just like how many of you resonate with this कि कहीं जाते हो ना तभी गड़बड़ होती है. Raise your hand और जब जाते हैं तभी गड़बड़ होती है. ऐसे सब सही चल रहा है. जैसे ये हमने 3 बार टेस्ट करा था, कल रात को 12 बजे तक टेस्ट करते रहो, यहाँ गड़बड़ होगी, राइट? बट इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइफ. यू वांट टू गेट फ्री लीड्स by posting organically on social media without spending a single penny on paid ads. Say yes or no. थोड़ी voice आ रही है. Do you want to clone yourself so that your business will run without you? Yes or no? And for the women's, it's very difficult to do business, to be very honest with you, as compared to men's, because
सास गाली देवे देवर संधा देवे ससुराल के दापू.
I am a married guy, so I can resonate. तो अपने में personally लीजिएगा, right? My wife is a co-founder of my business. So, I decided, what I learned from Alex Hormozi is he decided to clone the entire marketing strategy of other people, and his clones work best. So here, I am not a guy who innovates something. जो वर्ल्ड में बेस्ट कर रहा है ना, उसको कॉपी पेस्ट कर दो और अपनी फॉर्म में कर दो, राइट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू लर्न दैट मॉडलिंग टेक्निक कि वर्ल्ड में जो बेस्ट कर रहा है उसी को मॉडल कर दो. से येस इफ यू वांट टू डू दैट. ओके. So I will be not teaching you any theory, what I learned from the greatest marketers in the world. Did my AI workshops in 9+ countries, AI session takens. I got awarded by Russell Brunson for generating 10 millions in revenue. He's one of the best marketer in the world at Funnel Hacking Live Vegas. I spoke on the stages like TEDx. How many want to be on TEDx? Say yes if you want to be on TEDx. If you stay attentive till end, I will be giving you one bonus, a quick funnel, how you will be on a TEDx. I'm author of a book, Grow with Bots, which is forwarded by a world legendary marketer, Dan Kennedy. So Dan Kennedy is a world best marketer, legendary marketer who works with Napoleon Hill. There's a last chance to get all the resources. If you haven't scanned that, you can scan that. And I know the Chandigarh audience because I belong from here. I'm calling everyone from outside to inside. You have 20 seconds to do that. Let me call everyone over here. Hello guys, I have started my AI workshop. Can you come inside? अंदर भी आपका कॉफी रखी है, ठीक है जी, राइट. सो दिस वॉज, आई वॉज एट टाइकॉन. I did interview with lots of people. I was doing Q&A, and I get to learn more about the stuff. Hey, I was asking on every booth I was going, and it's like way back 2023. And then when I did with everyone, I manifested something. Because I get to learn, people over here are going overseas, meeting their clients, and they are traveling everywhere. So I manifested something over them. And the framework which you need to follow is easy. Whatever strategy I am telling you, if you think that it's very easy to implement, you need to say easy. Say easy. Not like this, like this. Easy, right? Easy. Whatever you are able to implement. Now, I am not saying that मैंने ये करा, मैं कह रहा हूँ if you are able to implement that. Right? And if it is easy to implement. So what is the easy framework? Lots of people talk that AI, अब क्या करना है इसमें? So first is evaluate where you are bottleneck in your business. E stand for evaluate. कि आप क्या ऐसा काम कर रहे हो जो बार बार आपसे परमिशन के लिए जा रहा है. Then evaluate that bottleneck, and A is for automate. Try to automate that. S stand for scale, and scale is good. Whatever is automating, you can scale, but my favorite is sell. Do not go for a perfect product. Start selling. लोग अपने आप ही बता देंगे क्या करना है. I see, like I work with lots of founders, what the biggest problem with them is they want a perfect product. कितने लोगों को ऐसा एक आइडिया आता है, आप सोचते हो इम्प्लीमेंट करना है और आप देखते हो किसी और ने इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया. से इजी कई बार आपके साथ होता है. अच्छा, कितने लोग ऐसे रेजोनेट करेंगे, यार ये वाली प्रॉपर्टी तो मेरे फादर कहते थे कि ले लेते तो इतना कुछ हो जाता है ना, अगर हम यहाँ इन्वेस्ट करते तो ये हो जाता था. वाई इज योर फ्रीडम? सो द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ इजी इज वाई इज योर फ्रीडम, हाउ यू गेट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम योर बिजनेस. इफ यू पार्टिसिपेट, you will get exciting giveaways. So the first thing is texting team. So whenever you want to give someone a work, you just text your team, hey, you can do this. And as a founder, you have lots of things in your mind going on. You say, okay, do this. And then the second thing is calling them or pushing a voice note. So generally when I want to give some work to my team, I texted them. और आधी चीज़ें ना मेरे दिमाग में होती हैं, बस उनको टेक्स्ट तो थोड़ा सा जाता है. एंड कई बार वॉइस नोट छोड़ दिया. एंड इन द एंड दोनों कंफ्यूज है, फाउंडर भी कंफ्यूज है और टीम मेंबर भी कंफ्यूज है. और फोर्थ में क्या होता है, लेट्स डू इट माई सेल्फ. तो बाद में ऐसा लगता है खुद ही कर लेते हैं, खुद ही हम ये चीज़ कर लेते हैं. कैसे आपको लगता है कि अगर आप वॉइस बात करते हैं किसी से तो अच्छी होती है, ठीक है ना? तो ज़्यादातर होता है ना बाद में आप बहन चुगली करें, आज टाई के इवेंट में ऐसा हुआ, उसने ऐसा कहा. सो वी आर मोर कंफर्टेबल ऑन अ फोन. सो द फर्स्ट टूल विच आई एम रिवीलिंग यू इज स्पीच टू टेक्स्ट. जो आप बात कर रहे हो अगर वही टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाए, इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू डू दैट बिजनेस. So the first tool is Whisper Flow. In that tool, while you are talking with the LLMs, like ChatGPT use कर रहे हो, Claude कर रहे हो, तो जो आपके माइंड में थॉट्स चल रहे हैं ना, आप उसको बोलोगे और वो टेक्स्ट में कन्वर्ट होता रहेगा. That same tool can be used in your phone as well. तो फोन में भी यूज हो रहा है और किस में यूज हो रहा है, लैपटॉप पे भी. जितनी आप AI से बात करोगे ना, उतना बेटर आपका आउटपुट आएगा. Treat it like a teammate जिससे आप बात कर रहे हैं. Second is cloning your looks. How many of you want to now clone your looks? कि मेरी looks अभी इसी वर्कशॉप में क्लोन हो जाए. Say easy if you want to clone right now. Or should I skip to the next part? Yes. So first is, आपने पॉडकास्ट देखे होंगे बहुत, right? तो पॉडकास्ट में क्या होता है, अगर बंदा कुछ भी बोल रहा है, इट्स लुक लाइक अथॉरिटी, कि आप पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हो और पॉडकास्ट में क्या हो रहा है, अथॉरिटी लग रही है हम सबकी. सो फर्स्ट टूल विच विल बी यूजिंग इज for cloning, what you need to do is, the first part will be, take out your phones and I will tell you the exact process what you need to do. You need to go to some other table, say hi, hello to some stranger, and then give your phone and tell her or him to take a photographs of you. And out of curiosity or out of good gesture, that same guy or girl needs to take their photograph of yours. Simple है, but आपको अपने table पे नहीं जाना. Why? Because the biggest disappointment or biggest discouragement comes with your family and friends. And your first sales come with a stranger. होता ना कुछ भी start कर रहे हो, अब इसने ये start क्यों कर दिया? अभी ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? वो stranger कह रहा है मुझे product दे दो. रेडियो, मैं म्यूजिक चलाऊंगा, जैसे म्यूजिक बंद होगा अपने टेबल, बट आपको उसको जाके हाय हेलो करना है, अपने बारे में बताना है व्हाट यू डू इन योर बिजनेस, एंड देन फोटोग्राफ. अब फोटोग्राफ में सैड मत रहना, अभी जैसे बड़े सैड लग रहे हो आप लोग. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट योर सैड क्लोन कि रोता ही रहता है? अरे हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कि खुशी रहे, अब बहुत सीरियस बात चल रही है, यहाँ का इनवॉइस पेड नहीं हुआ, ये गलत चला गया और हंस रहा है. हैव अ न्यूट्रल एक्सप्रेशन, राइट? ना ज़्यादा हंसना है ना ज़्यादा, किसी भी बैकग्राउंड में कहीं भी जाके सकते हो. योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. स्टैंड अप एंड यू नीड टू गो टू सम अदर टेबल. स्टैंड अप.
You call her Stephanie? I call her Heffany. Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this. I'm a king, but I'm up to my say. They call me a bad man, that's a pretty good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings. So I make my mama proud and then get the hits right. That's so with me, keep the way then. You know my history, know what I did then. What I do now, a whole lot worse. Heavy is the head, it's a blessing and a curse. You call her Stephanie? I call her Heffany.
कर दे लड़ला कुएं ते पानी पड़ेंगे मल मल पैर न धो कुएं ते पानी पड़ेंगे तू मल मल पैर न धो मांगी चंपा के ले तू बैठी हार करो मांगी चंपा के ले तू बैठी हार करो
राइट. सो यू ऑल ऑफ यू आर डन. आपने एक चीज़ नोटिस करी होगी, 70-80% सब गए, बट जो नहीं गए ना उनके पास भी कोई नहीं आया. नोट करा लाइफ में? तो कई बार ना आपके मन में बात होती है, आपको लगता है उससे पूछ लूं, राइट? बट अपने मन में ही हमारे जो माइंड है ना, उसी माइंड में थॉट्स आ जाते हैं. क्यों? शायद वो ना कर देगा, कोई भी प्रपोजल है कोई सी चीज़ के लिए. So the biggest barrier in your mind right now is your mindset. Second, how difficult it was to take a photograph of someone else. How difficult it was. भूल गए आप?
Easy, easy.
Easy, easy. Say easy, easy. Right. So now what you need to do is, we'll be cloning right now in front of you. The next tool we'll be using is build your AI creator. So what you need to do is, let me try in front of you. You need to copy this URL, or you can have a QR code of this, or you have that in the same doc. So what you need to do is first you guys can scan and you need to upload your photograph over here. And you need to upload your photograph. Select your male or female and we'll see. Just like, let me try in front of you. So I will open up this, create my AI clone. Here you need to select male or female, upload your photograph. Let me see. And then get my AI clone. So I have uploaded a random photograph of me. And now this tool start analyzing, generating your AI clone. It start generating your AI clone. So it is finalizing the elements, setting up a professional studio. You have that link in the doc itself. You have that link in the doc itself. Okay, 97%. So you can see over here, right now, I am in a podcast studio. The photograph I have uploaded was not in a podcast studio. What I am doing is, I am pushing it out on social media. You guys can have this. Right? Anybody able to generate their AI clone over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing. So what you need to do is, whatever software you are using, either LinkedIn or Facebook, scan this up, comment yours in post. I just want to see what you have posted, what you have created. And you will be getting some amazing gifts from our end if you are commenting it over here. You have 20 seconds to do that. 20 seconds to do that. तो सबके पास पॉडकास्ट स्टूडियो बन गए हैं अपने. Nice. So let's see. Let me quickly open up Facebook and see if somebody has posted over here. And let me quickly open up LinkedIn and see if somebody has posted in the comments. Post. Let me refresh it and see if somebody has posted. See some comments and Harinder Pal Singh. Where is Harinder Pal Singh? Come on the stage. Clap for Harinder Pal Singh. I need a book. So that is called speed to lead. जो सबसे फास्ट चल रहा है ना, वो गलतियों से भी ऊपर आ जाएगा. Right, so can I have a book? Sorry. So this one is for you. So thank you so much. Now, let me see if somebody else. I see some comments on Facebook also. Okay, I'm just answering every question. Ritu Rai, so clap for Ritu Rai. You can just come quickly. कितनों को लगा कि यार मेरी तो ये फोटो बनी नहीं, हला है दी AI ने, ऐसे मेरे जैसे नहीं लग रही. Raise your hand, कितनों को लगा? So take it as your first product. आपका कभी भी पहला प्रोडक्ट ना परफेक्ट नहीं होता. बट आप उसको रोल आउट करने में इतना डर जाते हो कि आप लोग फर्स्ट क्लैप फॉर हर, किसी ने एक्शन ले। आप इतना डर जाते हो, नहीं नहीं ये तो दिखाना नहीं, किसी को तो मेरे जैसा नहीं है। आपको लगता है पीपल जज नहीं करेंगे आपको अगर आप नहीं भी कुछ करोगे, स्टिल पीपल जज यू, राइट? सो द ओवर हेयर इफ यू सी, सबके स्टूडियोज अलग अलग हैं। आपने ये देखा, इनका स्टूडियो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, डिफरेंट कलर थीम है, एंड अदर फोटोग्राफ्स हैव सम डिफरेंट थीम्स। सो इट्स लाइक कि प्रॉम्प्टिंग तो सबकी सेम है, बट आउटपुट सबके डिफरेंट है। प्रॉम्प्टिंग सबकी सेम है, बट आउटपुट सबकी डिफरेंट। इट्स लाइक
Same but different. No money, no honey. Good boy goes to heaven. Bad boy goes to
Thai workshop, right? So this is what your first product will never be a perfect product. But जब उसको tweak करते रहोगे, okay. So one more. On Facebook, LinkedIn, we have a QR code over here. So we have a QR code over here. Let me refresh it again to see. पुनीत जी की सिफारिश आई थी, पर पुनीत जी आपका दिख नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे। हाँ। अच्छा, पोस्ट ही बनाई है, ओके, यस, ओके। अति प्रिय सर इज देयर। सॉरी, मुझे थोड़ा आगे प्रेजेंटेशन में जाना है, बट विल सी पोस्ट पे नोटिफिकेशंस। ओके, ओवर हियर, अमेजिंग। सो आपकी लुक्स को सिर्फ जो आपको रोज देखते हैं ना, वही जज कर सकता है। नहीं तो इंस्टाग्राम पे इतने फिल्टर्स हैं, स्नैपचैट पे इतने फिल्टर्स हैं, पीपल विल नेवर जज। तो फर्स्ट थिंग व्हिच वी नीड टू डू इज रोल इट आउट इन द मार्केट, एंड लेट मी पुल अप द फुल व्यू, सॉरी। सो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट वाज टू क्रिएट योर AI clone? How difficult it was?
Easy.
Right. So first, now next I'm going to cloning your voice. The second part is, now you have a photograph, how you will clone your voice. So before cloning the voice, I will tell you about this guy. How many of you heard of this Alex Hormozi? Raise your hand if you heard of Alex Hormozi. Those who don't know about him is, उसने एक book निकाली, 100 million money model book. उसने book कौन सी निकाली? 100 million money model book. बुक की कॉस्ट थी $30, $29। $29, 2 दिन यूट्यूब पे गया वो, कितनी बुक बेच ली होंगी यूट्यूब पे? एनी आइडिया? 1 million, ओवर 1 million कहा किसी ने। कितना रेवेन्यू कर लिया होगा 2 दिन यूट्यूब पे? सो ही सोल्ड 3.2 million बुक्स, मेकिंग अ प्रॉफिट रेवेन्यू ऑफ 104 million, 2 दिन यूट्यूब पे। So that is Alex Hormozi. He charges for 30 minutes one-to-one consultation. He charges $100K. $1 crore से ऊपर he charges. So what happened is, he called all the marketers in the world to promote his book, and he said whosoever in the top 10, they can come have a 30-minute talk and spend time with him, and whatever he wants to do in the business, he can always, or she wants to do, she can consult. So I was promoting one of my friend who lives in Canada. So then we are in a Zoom group, we all our marketers are there, and then a marketer, one from US से Nippon, I was suggesting something. ऐसा होता है ना कि हाँ यार friend को promote कर रहे हो, and there was 21 days left for the event. So I was suggesting something कि आप ऐसा करो. Then this guy told me, Nippon, you are not in the competition. You live in India, so why you are wasting your time? If you are good enough, you should be in the competition. And you live in India. So the major thing is, which hurts me, like, okay, living in India is not a crime. But why this guy told me? And then I called my friend. Hey, यार कोई ऐसा बोल रहा था 21 days. तो मेरे friend ने कहा ठीक ही तो बोल रहा है. Right. Then मैंने एक second वाइफ को कॉल करी, मैं कहा कुछ ऐसा बोल रहा है, शेल वी ट्राई कि हम कुछ उसको ट्राई कर सकते हैं कि हाँ विल स्टार्ट प्रमोटिंग इन 21 डेज. काफ़ी लोगों ने कहा जस्ट 21 डेज, वर्ल्ड के सारे मार्केटर्स हैं एंड कैसे आप उसको करोगे. सो विल गिव अ ट्राई. तो मैंने कहा कि चलो एक ट्राई लेते हैं कि क्या हो सकता है. सो व्हाट आई डिड इज स्टूडियो में गया अपने और मैंने रिकॉर्ड करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. सो द रिकॉर्ड.
Hi, my name is Nipun Syal. I am AI Marketing Automation Specialist. And recently, I came to know about that Alex is releasing his book 100 Million Money Model. And now, that my thought was earlier I even registered for the event, but I was not aware of the affiliate link. I just kept it. And it's been like 15 to 20 days past, and now
So what I did is I documented all my 21 days. And if somebody says in your life that you can't do it, what you need to do is
I'ma prove them wrong. I'ma prove them wrong. I'ma prove them wrong. I'ma prove them wrong.
so. What I learned from Gary Vee is do it in a time that nobody expect. I was second in the world promoting 100 million money model book. Living in India, living in Chandigarh. Right? Living in Chandigarh. I documented all my 21 days. I documented all my 21 days. And do you know, it is one of the best-selling course for US people, how this guy living in India, living in Chandigarh, ranked the charts of Alex. And then I went to Vegas, did that podcast with him, spent the time with him. And do you know, somebody says you that you can't do it, what you need to do is, there is someone who is always watching you, always a hand on you. The guy is... नहीं तो इंटरनेट में किसी को नहीं पता आपकी वॉइस कैसी चल रही है. द सेकेंड मेथड इज प्रोफेशनल वॉइस क्लोनिंग. ऑलवेज रिकॉर्ड योर जूम मीटिंग्स. व्हाट टू डू, जब आप जूम रिकॉर्डिंग्स कर रहे हो तो आप जूम में अपनी वॉइस रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो. सेकेंड व्हाट यू कैन डू इज फोन रिकॉर्डिंग्स. यू कैन पुट अ रिकॉर्डर ऑन इट. पॉडकास्ट वेबिनार में आप रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो. माइक रोड्स वगैरह या फिर कोई स्टूडियो सेटअप रेंट कर सकते हो जिससे आपकी प्रोफेशनल वॉइस क्लोन हो जाती है. बट everybody will tell you in a life what to do, but what not to do. क्या नहीं करना ये बहुत कम लोग बताएंगे. So how many of you want to reveal कि मेरे को 3 महीने से 4 महीने लगे अपनी वॉइस क्लोन करने में, कि तब जाके मेरी वॉइस परफेक्ट क्लोन होगी जो नहीं पहचान सकते लोग. एंड क्या नहीं करना, how many of you want me to reveal? Say easy. Little bit louder. Okay. So what I did is I cloned my voice. I texted my wife with a WhatsApp note on an anniversary. Hey, dear, happy anniversary. This is blah blah blah. Suddenly she thinks, ये guy इतना romantic कैसे बन गया एकदम? Because my voice was exactly cloned on WhatsApp, and it was from my AI agent. And then what she did is she said thank you, and he said when was our engagement? And I was like, ये मेरे क्लोन को क्या, मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे नहीं याद. So the first thing which you need to remember is whatever you are feeding to your AI clone is the brain behind that. तो जो आप फीड कर रहे हो, हम कहते हैं यार AI के रिजल्ट्स अच्छे नहीं आ रहे, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है भाई, आपने उसको फीड ही उतना करा है. इफ यू आर फीडिंग इट प्रॉपरली इट कैन नोज entire stuff from you. And now my voice is exactly cloned. I can tell Claude, hey, just text my wife. Right now she's in Canada for the conferences. Just text her. It can easily done. So what not to do is, do not record in a noisy background. Do not record when two people are talking because disturbance both है. The biggest is, आपको script देते हैं और आप script पढ़ रहे हो. अगर आप कोई script पढ़ रहे हो, it was always like this, कि यार वो बनेगी ही नहीं बात, क्योंकि जब मैं कोई बुक से अपनी पढ़ूंगा, so I was like, okay, grow with bots, this, I am not conversational. जब आप किसी friend से बात करते हो, your tone is conversation. The biggest difficulty right now with AI is AI should not look like AI. अगर AI की तरह लग ही गया, तो problem है. Nobody wants to talk to bot. Do not exactly go for 2 hours और compressed voice use ना करें. This is the hack. AI को conversational कैसे करो? This is the tone where the LLM models adjust. Just like explanation mark, cap locks. My name is Nippon Seal. So for Nippon Seal, I want to do an impact. Hook. Can anybody tell any of your business? I just want to give you an example right now in the public. Any example, like just tell your business. Yes. Very short, yeah. Advertising Indian Railways, right? People spend $1,000 on marketing and they get zero result. This is a hook. That's what we call hook. अब जो भी marketing में spend कर रहा होगा, they will see and start catching you up. So if you add a question mark over there, it will be called as hook. These are the LLM models which LLM models can adjust. The second part is voice cloning. Now your voice clone can call your customers and telling them, hey, this is the appointment date, this is that. That can be done through AI tools. Next is creating your video. Now, once you have your image, once you have your audio, the next part is creating an avatar via HeyGen. So HeyGen is a tool from which you can create your avatar. What you need to do is just upload your photograph over there and tell them to create it into a video. You can generate 3 to 4 videos. And I have created, so this is the exact steps. What you need to do is, first you need to create a new avatar. Second is clone a real person. Upload your photograph over there after this session, and then there will be a disclaimer that you are cloning yourself. You need to read that script, and you can scan from a QR code, then upload, and the last part will be you will have your multiple clones. You will have your multiple clones over there. So I have created 100 of my clones. एक दो से सबको पता लग जाता है. आप रोज ही एक वीडियो डालोगे, you will get to know. But I have my 100 of my clones. What I did is, जब मैंने इतनी cloning करी, I get to know कि problem क्या है इसमें. I emailed the founder of HeyGen. HeyGen की team को from San Francisco, I emailed them, there is a problem in your software. मेल ही तो करनी है. काफ़ी software में problem होती है. Do you know what I get a reply? First they get, okay, they acknowledge me. The second thing what they offer me is to do a workshop in New York. मैं तो चंडीगढ़ बैठा था. Can you do a workshop on this? You have created 100 of avatars. You are helping our product. And they offer me to be a brand ambassador of HeyGen. So right now I'm brand ambassador of HeyGen also. I did a workshop in New York. And the use cases will be, how many of you want to generate money from your clone? ऐसा नहीं कि social media पे बस बातें चल रही हैं. Say yes if you want to generate money from your AI clone. Little bit louder. So what you need to do is give value to someone. Text में डाल दो जो डालना है, but उसके बाद करो last में comment word कर दो. Just if you are into like advertisement, you need to put up a script. Comment AI if you want to know the exact advertisement stuff. Comment AI if you want to know the playbook. Once somebody commented that, what you need to do is, when somebody commented from the Go High Level software, this is the logo of Go High Level. What you need to do is, from that Go High Level software, try to make a DM comment. So somebody is commenting on your Instagram, DM them with the features and update that. So this is the one Go High Level funnel you can use. There is 3 steps to create a phone. First is to take selfie. Second is to clone your voice. Third is to create your AI clone, right, from HeyGen. Now the next part is card exchange funnel. How many people you met over here? 2, 5, 7. Can anybody tell how many people you met over here? Okay, 2, 3, 5. How many of you exchange cards? Okay. कितने लोग इवेंट्स में कार्ड या लिंक्डइन एक्सचेंज करते हैं और बाद में कोई बिजनेस नहीं आता? रेज योर हैंड. बड़े कार्ड एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं और बिजनेस तो आ ही नहीं रहा. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट मी टू रिवील द एग्जैक्ट फनल जिससे आपको बिजनेस भी आई यहीं बैठे बैठे? इवन इफ यू आर मीटिंग 2 people, say yes, or otherwise I will skip that slide. So let me show you what happened
Here's
in
my
the
card.
events.
Thank you. Here's my card. Sure, we'll connect, right?
Thank you.
Here's my card.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll meet up, right?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So we'll connect, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, sure. So if I tell you that you can create an AI funnel where whenever
So card exchange funnel will be lots of people put that into the trash or the LinkedIn nobody will reply. So what you need to do is create a form in Go High Level with their name, email ID, phone number, and then I have a let's have a selfie together. Let's have a selfie together. So what you are doing is you are taking a selfie with that guy whom you are meeting so that you can recognize after 5 days who that guy is. And from the AI automations, once you created that, as soon as people click submit, it will open up your contact in their phone. Just tell them to save them. कितने लोग अननोन नंबर पिक करते हैं कि हाँ हर अननोन नंबर पिक कर रहे हो. कितने लोग नोन नंबर के मैसेज समझ लेते हो कि ये तो मुझे जानता है. So once your number gets saved in your prospects or in your friends or in your person who are meeting you, आपको क्या करना है? 5 दिनों के बाद उसको मैसेज करो क्योंकि 2 दिन के बाद 3 दिन के बाद एक्साइटमेंट उतर जाएगी. Who was निपुण भूल जाओगे, राइट? अगर 5 डेज के बाद वो सेल्फी जाए बंदे के व्हाट्सएप पे, हे व्हाट्सअप, हाउ यू थिंग्स आर गोइंग अप, ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन, you'll always get a reply and then you can converse कि हम किस प्रोजेक्ट पे बात कर रहे हैं. So that is the one of the best funnel I did in lots of my events. Second is Claude Code. किसी को भी DM डाल सकते हो from Claude Code. Right now I have an AI agent which works 24/7 which can DM everyone just from my voice note.
Thank you so much, everyone.